Oracle and CoreWeave are trending. This is Wednesday, the 17th of December 2025. Both of them are trending. Obviously, both are AI infrastructure stocks. Okay. Oracle is down 4.88%. Okay. 29 million shares have crossed the tape so far. Average volume is usually around 25 million. Okay, let's see now. We have some sentiments around those two stocks. Let's see what we can find out with regard to both of them. Let's see now. I think we're going to begin with Oracle. Yeah, let's see now. Yeah.
Oracle, or ORCL, is trending after a Financial Times report suggested that Blue Owl Capital will not back a previously planned data center project, sparking fresh concerns about Oracle's aggressive push into AI infrastructure and the balance sheet implications tied to that strategy. The headline rattled investors who are already sensitive to big tech capex, leading to near term selling pressure and renewed scrutiny of Oracle's debt load and capital allocation discipline. Within the community, there's an active debate over the credibility and broader implications of the report. Some investors argue the story may be overstated or misunderstood, noting that Oracle has multiple financing partners, a diversified approach to data center expansion, and long term cloud contracts that could offset near term funding noise. Others worry that if the report proves accurate, it could signal tighter financial conditions for Oracle's AI ambitions, potentially slowing cloud infrastructure expansion just as competition with hyperscalers intensifies. At the same time, a segment of traders believes the stock reaction has been excessive, framing the move as a potential overreaction rather than a fundamental break in Oracle's long term AI and cloud thesis. Technical analysts are watching for signs of stabilization or a bounce, while some community members speculate about a possible coordinated negative narrative targeting large cap AI beneficiaries amid broader sector volatility. CoreWeave.
Okay, we'll come back to CoreWeave. Okay, so let's Oracle down 4.63%. Underlying trend still remains strongly bullish. The extrapolation of its 3-day moving averages for lower prices, but we'll come back to this extrapolation later on. Yeah, the 40-day moving average is also expected to continue to decline to prevent any bounce. Okay, momentum is expected to remain depressed, or is expected to continue to decay, going all the way towards Christmas Eve, and then from Boxing Day, possibly it might rebound again. That's what the algos are saying, but we're not really okay. We just have the extrapolation here saying that a bounce might happen, but and then expect to remain strong up till the 6th of January. This bounce is expected to be kicking from the 2nd of December, yeah, 2nd of January. Okay, yeah. Then after that, even after that, momentum is expected to remain elevated, whereas the decline is expected to continue. With how that goes. So we would just apply the extrapolation of the 21-day moving average. We want to get the extrapolation of all the short and intermediate moving averages. Yeah, let's see now. All the short, intermediate, and medium term moving averages. So the 10-day moving average is short term. The 21-day moving average is intermediate, and then the 40-day moving average is medium. So let's apply the intermediate, and then the 200-day moving average is long term. They didn't come in? Let me get that. Yeah, let's see, 21-day moving average. Yeah, we have it there now. Okay. Yeah. So we have it there. It's also declining. It's a lot tighter, a lot closer to the 10-day moving average. So it's the same thing as well. Lower prices, expecting to prevent any expansion, especially from the 23rd of January. Yeah. Okay. So let's get what we have for CRWV.
Or CWRV is also trending lower as investors weigh mounting concerns around leverage, data center build-out delays, and intensifying competition in the AI infrastructure space. Despite CoreWeave's headline grabbing contracts with major AI players, sentiment has weakened as the market focuses on execution risk, rising financing costs, and questions about whether revenue growth can keep pace with the company's capital intensive expansion plans. Community discussions reflect a split outlook. Bulls argue that the sell off may be overdone, pointing to CoreWeave's strategic positioning as a pure play AI infrastructure provider, strong demand from hyperscale and enterprise customers, and the long term secular growth of AI workloads. From this view, the pullback represents a potential accumulation opportunity if management can demonstrate improved timelines and capital efficiency. Skeptics, however, remain cautious. They highlight insider selling, elevated debt levels, and the risk that delays or cost overruns could compress margins or force additional capital raises. Broader AI sector volatility, macroeconomic uncertainty, and competitive pressure from both hyperscalers and alternative GPU cloud providers are also cited as reasons to stay on the sidelines. Overall, CWRV's decline has become a focal point for a larger debate about which AI infrastructure players can sustainably scale in a higher rate environment and which may struggle as capital becomes more selective.
Okay, CoreWeave is down 5.6%. Okay, what do we have here? Let's see what we have. CoreWeave and OpenAI signed a 5-year contract worth $11.9 billion with OpenAI in March before. Okay, yeah. So yeah, it doesn't have enough any extrapolation. It hasn't been around that long. So the much we can do here is pick up the extrapolation and projections. We have some, yeah, okay. We have negative downward projections, negative 14.6 and negative 32.67. So yeah, the algos are extrapolating that the prospects of really discounted prices coming in. Okay, but at the same time, we have 14.65 as well, still the downward projection. Before now, as of yesterday, had 78.64, 92.84, 103.39, 109.91. So, what a difference a day makes. What a difference a day makes. You can see here, everything yesterday was bullish. Today, everything is bearish. Yeah, no, nothing to the upside at all on Core Weave. Okay, I think the algos are spooked. Okay, so we have lower prices expected to keep printing up till the 18th of December. Then after that, we might get in a bounce that is expected to blow through any resistance and yeah, hold yeah, remain strong at least up till the 29th of December. No guarantee that that will be the case. On this 4-hour chart, we don't have those sort of negative downward projections. It's a short-term chart, so it's not out of place. So we have here 86.86. It's a decent premium to the current levels. Yeah. So yeah. So have a look and let's see how all of these will pan out. And I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.